Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You're listening to Consan Show, episode number 146, and in this episode we are gonna discuss about how do you really control your life. And let's get started.
Never listen to any advices. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start.
I just wanted to start this entire video with a story. So it's my story, a part of it. So 5 years back, probably 6 years back, I was working in a public sector company. It's a Navaratna company to be true, and it's a very famous company in India. So I was working over there. When I just joined that particular company, what really happened was for 1 week, for complete 1 week, I wasn't assigned with any task over there. And after 1 week, my manager just called me and they just gave me a work. So that work was nothing but to clean an oil that has been spilled in the floor. But I wasn't really hired to brush that oil in the CNC machines that was lying on the floor. But I just thought like, okay, fine, this is my first task, first work, I'll do it. I just cleaned it happily. But after that I just felt like, but I wasn't really hired to do this. I'm not telling you that that is a low level job or something like that, but I didn't like to do that at that particular point of time. And I felt like, no, I wasn't really into it. I wasn't really there to do that. After that I learned many things over there. After that I learned how to operate CNC machines, how to program, how to do lots of stuffs, how an industry works, all that. But the first thing that I did over there was that particular thing. If I could just tell my manager that no, I wasn't really hired for this, probably he or she would have been fired me. But I just felt like, no, I should do that. After that particular moment, after that particular event, I just got plenty of things that I learned. And many people, just like the trainees and the casual workers, the contract workers, everyone was treated so low in that particular company. At the same time, they were the hard workers in that particular company. But after that particular job in my life, I just thought one thing. I just decided one thing in my life. That one thing was, if you want to control your destiny, what you have to do is you just have to work for yourself. And that is how I decided to be an entrepreneur. That is what I wanted to do in my entire life. I'm not really telling you that being an employee is completely bad, but being an entrepreneur is better than being an employee. There is nothing more fantastic in your entire life other than working for yourself, or doing what you really love every day, day in, day out. When you just wake up in the morning and when you feel like you want to do something that you really love doing, and you are doing that particular thing just for you. That is how the entire thing is, the entire entrepreneurship thing is. So if you want to become an entrepreneur, trust me, your entire life would be awesome. That is the only reason I feel like entrepreneurship is not just something that you do it for money, it's a lifestyle. That is what I wanted to mention. And the shout out in this particular video is for Sahana Z3081. So 3801, sorry. So the link will be over here. You can follow her. She just commented on my video, and thanks a lot for commenting. I'm giving shout out to everyone who just comment on my particular pictures, videos, podcast. So